Hey Norm, just one last thing I want you to fix on this Luxland page. Looking really good. If you jump onto the homepage here and go to testimonials, can you please just update these? The first one's there, you just need to get the video. I think it should be on YouTube. So you can probably just, yeah, pull it in from YouTube. So leave David and Alicia. Let's use Thomas. Don't use that one. Use Jason and Natasha. And Joel and Tiffany. So all of them except Christoph and Annie. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So just pull, yeah, you can see it from what I've done for the first one. So you just need to update the videos, and then for these other three, update the names and the details. Thank you.